As it is rightly said, it is more important to know what sort of person has a disease than to know what sort of disease a person has. A very good morning, honorable judges. We, the students of Birla Vidya Niketan, Anika and Harshit, are here with a very innovative idea of an app that will make learning about diseases simpler and also has a lot of potential opportunity in the future. It is often seen that people in their old age or people who are handicapped face problems in going to doctors. Health Analyst brings them AI-based facilities to their home that can help them analyze their health on their own without going out and makes medical facilities available to them just one click away. Let's firstly talk about how the app is going to work. You are required to fill in a form for user onboarding and to create your patient profile on our servers. Once the form is filled, you will receive your account ID to access saved reports. These reports will be stored on a blockchain with military-grade encryption. So it's recommended to take a screenshot or write your account ID and seed phrase down on a piece of paper. Once the user has created a profile on our network, they are ready to get started analyzing their health. They will have two options to analyze their health, either manually or automatically. How does analysis work? For manual entries, the user is required to own a blood pressure monitoring device from any trusted company that allows SYS, DIA, and pulse monitoring. For automatic entries, the user will be required to purchase a health analyst monitoring device. This device will allow the user to connect it with their phone or computer and have live analysis done once the monitoring is complete. Blood pressure monitoring was just an example of what will be possible with Health Analyst. These will include an AI-based interaction with Dr. Analyst that will require you to check up on your health by using various Health Analyst devices to give you the full analysis of where your health stands. With GPT-3 and other machine learning algorithms, we will be able to predict the patient's health. The user profile will help us to keep track of how the patient has been doing. After analyzing the data, the app will be able to provide the patient with a list of possible diseases and cures for the same. The whole idea focuses on bringing medical aid a lot more closer to people in times of emergencies. To make understanding of diseases easier, our app will also focus on having small snippets of how the disease might harm the human body and how the body has its own mechanisms to fight the disease. The app will also speak about the chemical structure of medicines suggested, thus making understanding of biomolecules more practical and fun. We focus on developing interests of students towards biology through the medium of our app, which will be present on their cell phones, a device that they stay connected to 24/7. To verify the validity of our app and the information available there, the app will be based on low-code or no-code tools like Notion, Tally-forms, etc. that will allow doctors to add on to the knowledge base of our project easily with no friction regarding their technical skills. We highly believe this idea will grow tremendously in the future and will also make learning a lot more fun. We hope you like our presentation. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience.